Guys, this is ridiculous. This whole thing. What's ridiculous? This! Yung kaming tatlo, may gusto kay Billy. Pero tinagtago namin. We are friends, right? But we are acting as if we are enemies, playing a game of chess, waiting for the opponent to make the next move. I feel hindi to tama.
So, ano gusto mong gawin natin?
Bakit hindi natin i-settle ng maayos?
Paano natin ayusin?
We all like Billy, tama?
Oo.
And you would not give her up, right?
Oo naman.
Ako din. I would not give her up. Hindi ba pwedeng may the best man win?
Teka, parang di naman yata tama yun. Di naman trophy si Billy para paglaruan at gawing pa-premyo.
Oh, it's not like that. Hindi mo naintindihan. Billy gets to choose kung sino gusto niya sa atin. It's fair, right?
Paano yung bro code natin?
All of you guys are important to me. We are all bros. But do you guys really want to follow rules? Bro, feelings. Feelings don't follow rules. You feel what you feel.
At di naman natin kasalanan na pare-parehas tayo magkagusto kay Billy.
Come on, guys. We have been friends for so long. Do you guys really think that she can just break us apart? Wala ba kayo tiwala sa friendship natin?
Paano kung hindi kami pumayag?
Basta ako, I would do anything. Lilikawan ko siya.
Alam mo, di ba kayong mga Indian, naniniwala kayo sa reincarnation? Kung gawin mo na lang ngayon sa susunod na buhay mo.
Bro, with all my sins, baka reincarnate ako as an insect. Hindi ko na maliligawan si Billy. Kaya kayo, I would advise you to do what you can right now so that you don't have regret later.